Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download and play workshop maps in CS2. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to load up your Steam, go to library and click on CS2. And then here on CS2, it should be workshop. Press on that. Then once you're here, you can search your workshop maps by name, but simply you can browse it and then you can select most recent, last updated, most popular, top rated all time, and more. So let's select most popular, and then let's select crispy mode. So to download workshop map is quite easy. What you need to do here is to select the map and then press subscribe here. And once you do that, as you can see here, it's now updating. And when it's done, you can launch the game and look and play the map. So let's launch the game here. And I will show that this is working, right? So let me load it up. As you can see here, hit play, hit workshop maps. And now crispy mode is here. Press go. And as you can see here, workshop maps is working. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.